am entering the market. I am entering the market. I am looking at the fruit. I am looking at the fruit. I am picking a banana. I am picking a banana. I am checking the apples. I am checking the apples. I am smelling an orange. I am smelling an orange. I am choosing vegetables. I am choosing vegetables. I am holding a tomato. I am holding a tomato. I am asking the price.
It is $2.
I am listening to the seller.
These tomatoes are fresh from the farm.
I am listening to the seller.
They are very healthy and taste delicious.
I am counting my money. I am counting my money. I am giving money.
Thank you.
I am giving money.
I am taking a receipt.
Grandcham.
I am taking a receipt.
I am putting fruit in a bag. I am putting fruit in a bag. I am carrying a basket. I am carrying a basket. I am looking for bread. In rod. I am looking for bread. I am buying fresh bread.
I am buying fresh bread.
I am buying fresh bread. I am holding a loaf of bread. Bread. I am holding a loaf of bread. I am looking at the fish. Done. I am looking at the fish. I am choosing fresh fish. I am choosing fresh fish. I am buying eggs. I am buying eggs. I am holding an egg tray. I am holding an egg tray. I am buying a bottle of milk. I am buying a bottle of milk. I am reading a label. I am reading a label. I am comparing two prices. I am comparing two prices. I am asking for a discount. I am asking for a discount.
Yes, I can do that.
I am smiling at the seller. I am smiling at the seller. I am saying thank you.
You're welcome.
I am saying thank you. I am walking between stalls. I am walking between stalls.
I am looking at clothes. I am looking at clothes.
I am touching a shirt. I
I am touching a shirt.
I am trying on a cap. I am trying on a cap.
I am looking in a small mirror. I am looking in a small mirror.
I am buying a cap. I am buying a cap. I am holding my shopping bags. I am holding my shopping bags. I am checking my shopping list. I am checking my shopping list.
I am crossing items off the list. I am crossing items off the list. I am looking for the exit. I am looking for the exit. I am leaving the market. I am leaving the market.
I am carrying food home. I am carrying food home.
I am putting food on the table. I am putting food on the table. Great job! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.